10 amazing keyboard shortcut keys and their uses you need to know. 1. Ctrl+C copy. Copy the selected text or item to the clipboard. 2. Ctrl+V paste. Paste the contents of the clipboard into the current document or field. 3. Ctrl+X cut. Cut the selected text or item and move it to the clipboard. 4. Ctrl+Z undo. Undo the last action performed. 5. Ctrl+A select all. Select all text or items in the current document or field. 6. Ctrl+S save. Save the current document or file. 7. Alt+Tab switch windows. Switch between open windows and applications. 8. F5 refresh. Refresh the current window or page. 9. Ctrl+P print. Open the print dialog box to print the current document or page. 10. Ctrl+D delete. Delete the selected text or item varies by application.